Wake up tired of fighting my mind. Every morning feels like borrowed time. I wear a smile like it's second skin, but it don't stop the shaking underneath it. There's a heaviness I can't outrun, follows me when the daylight's gone. I try to scream, but I make no sound. I'm sinking while the world spins around. I tell myself I'll be okay, but fear don't listen when it calls my name. I'm standing barefoot in the rain, letting it fall, feeling everything. Shadows chase me down every road, they crawl inside my soul. I don't recognize the wreck I see, staring back from the glass at me. I'm praying for a knight in shining armor to pull me out before I'm gone. I fight my demons in the dead of night. They know my fears, they don't fight fair. I drown in silence, hold my breath, trying not to fall apart again. Everyone says you're so strong, but they don't see how it feels. There's a wrong. I carry darkness I never chose, and it's getting hard to walk alone. If hope's a voice, it's whispering low, but I'm still listening even so. I'm standing barefoot in the rain, cold on my skin, washing the pain. Every shadow knows my name, every fear feels the same. I don't recognize the girl I see, with tired eyes staring back at me. I'm praying for a knight in shining armor to shield me from what's pulling me under. Maybe saving doesn't come from outside, maybe strength is learning how to survive. But tonight I just need someone here, someone to tell me I'm still here. I'm still barefoot in the rain, but I'm standing now, not slipping away. The shadows don't know my name, they don't get the final say.